Welcome to this fully furnished one-bedroom plus study apartment in the sought-after Prime Gardens, Arjan, developed by Prescott developers. The apartment comes fully furnished as shown in this walkthrough and is currently tenanted. However, arrangements can be made to ensure it is vacant upon transfer. The building offers a range of amenities including swimming pool, gym, 24/7 security, concierge and covered parking. It is conveniently located near Dubai Miracle Garden and offers easy access to major highways. Arjan is rapidly gaining attention from investors and end users due to its strategic location, strong rental yields, and the increasing popularity of its modern, family-friendly communities. To arrange a viewing or for more information, please get in touch using the contact details provided below.